If you want to turn off viewers post on your YouTube community post by using your iPad, I show you how you need to turn off that. So first open the browser you usually use. I open Safari. You can use any browser and Google and just type studio.youtube.com just like that, and just long press over this first link, open in new window and just click these three dots and full screen. Now click here and switch account if you want to change the account. Okay, if you want to add another account, click add account. Okay, now I landed on this site. So after signing to my YouTube account, it will directly opens like this when I click open in new window. In case if you see open YouTube or continue to studio, you need to choose the bottom option, continue to studio. Then you can see the same page. And still if it doesn't see, click this three dots and click request desktop site. Then you definitely can see the same. Now click settings at the bottom, left bottom, and community moderation. Scroll down and here you can see this option viewers post under post in your community. So in default it will be turned on if you are eligible. So to turn off this, just click this and turn off. And here you can see viewers won't able to post in your community and existing viewers post won't be accessible. Okay, and just click save. If you click that, then that's it. After this your viewers won't able to post on your community post, but you can post the community post you would like to add, so it doesn't create a problem to your site. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, you need to watch this playlist.